Today, we will talk about how to start a decorating business for parties. Let's have a look at the details. If party decorating is your thing, then starting a party decorating business might sound like a dream come true. You will have full creative control and be able to set your own prices. To start a decorating business for parties, you need to follow each of the steps outlined below. Each of them will help you establish and grow your new business. 1. Establish your niche. Before you do anything, you should pick a niche. People will be more likely to hire someone who is an expert in a specific area than someone that does an okay job at any type of party. There are tons of different party niches out there, such as children's parties, graduation parties, birthday parties, wedding parties, corporate events, baby showers/gender reveals, and holiday parties. Which one do you like most? Pick one or two and become the best at them. 2. Picking a name. After you choose your niche, you'll need a creative business name that stands out and sums up what you do. Each state's Secretary of State has an online directory of current LLCs. You can search your state's listing. If someone in your state has that name, I recommend picking another one to avoid any legal issues. 3. Set up an LLC or a business checking account. Before you start accepting payments, you need to have your accounting in order. Doing this will help tax time go much more smoothly and keep your books in order. 4. Publish your portfolio. Every time you decorate a party, take lots of stunning pictures and upload them to your portfolio. When you let your work speak for itself, you will attract more customers. This will also give your past customers a way to show off your work to other people. The best way to do this is with a website. 5. Social media marketing. After you set up your website, for a party decorating business, you will probably want to focus on Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram. Try not to use social media as a billboard. It's been shown that the more you comment and engage with people who interact with your posts, the further they will reach. 6. Use free resources. Every penny counts when you are starting a business, so take advantage of the wealth of free resources that are available online. There are ways to start websites for free, project management systems for free, and even free administrative tools. It's smart to use the free options first so you can save your money on decor-related expenses that arise. Then, as your business needs grow, you can take your surplus and invest in more robust tools. 7. How to attract new customers. The best answer I could come up with is networking. Start with other small business owners you know and ask to be introduced to anyone that is planning a party. When you decorate your first parties, ask them to refer. 8. Encourage word-of-mouth marketing. Even with all of our technology, word of mouth is still the most effective method of gaining new customers. You can encourage current and past customers to spread the word by establishing incentives. 9. Set up a meeting place. You might be setting up your business from your home and doing most of your work in your home office, but you should schedule your meetings in a convenient meeting place for both parties. Local coffee shops have meeting rooms you can reserve. Another idea is to join a co-op workspace. Most cities will have office space you can rent by the hour. As your business grows, consider establishing a more permanent office location. 10. Establish a budget. A business is only profitable when you make more money than you spend. Setting up a budget will help you determine your rates. 11. Look for additional income opportunities. If you make your own decorations, consider making more and selling them on Etsy. Or, you can buy a helium tank and rent it out on the side. There are lots of ways for your business to grow. Adding related income streams is one of the most popular ones. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.